Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. Hopefully you'll fine and feel fresh. In today's lecture, I'm going to show you how blend works and creo parametric. So, actually we're connecting two profiles on different planes or even at different distances from each other. So just click on plane, here come to sketch, and I'm going to select this plane as a datum, and this time I will draw a circle and just click OK. Now it asks me at how much distance you want to draw the second profile, so I'm giving it 300 and just this time to draw is this one. Okay, so this is how the system will automatically generate the blend for you people, and you can add is your own like the okay, and you can blend them as a sheet metal, okay, or even you can solid, or even you can keep the wall thickness. Right now I'm giving it 12, or even you can keep it 34, whatever you wanted to actually. Okay, or even you can flip direction either outside or inside of the profile. Just check and preview, and this time I'll keep it solid and sheet metal solid. Okay, and just click OK, and either you can make it shell type. Okay, just make sure wall thickness. Okay, so this is how you can use the blend command and creo parametric. Okay, either you can add up multiple sections that you wanted to connect with each other and different planes. So hopefully you understand this video. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming videos and in simple way and better way. So thanks for watching.